Hey everybody, it's Shane from Z-Tech again, and boy, we got a lot of snow out here in Chicago last night. It is freezing cold. This customer right here has a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and we just installed a Viper remote starter on it, and today we're going to tell you about it. So check this out. We installed a Viper remote start system. It is the system 7116V. It's just a simple one-button, one-way system. You get two remotes. One's your main one, one's your backup one you could keep at home. It's very simple, guys. You just click the button one time, press and release. You don't hold it. You'll see the headlights flash, give it a slight delay, and then the car starts. Click the button one more time, and you can unlock the car. So another question we always get asked is, what happens if I start my remote starter and somebody gets in and tries to take off with it? Well, all of these cars come with the safety feature involved, and that's going to allow for people to not be able to steal your car. So real quick, we're going to do a demonstration. Again, you just press and release. The lights will flash, give it a slight delay. Now the car started. Let's say you unlocked your car. I'm going to hand my keys to my cameraman, and I'll show you what happens if you try and get in. Take off. Put on the brake, put it in gear, and the car turns off. Nobody can take away your car. So now this vehicle does not have a key. It is a push button to start vehicle, but this has a feature called Takeover on it, and I'll show you exactly what that means. You will always need this fob to drive this vehicle, but what's cool about this starter is with the Takeover feature, you can get in, put your foot on the brake, and drive away. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. It's super cold out here. Me and the cameraman are freezing, but we hope you enjoyed today's video on the Viper remote start systems. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Take care.